It's LO, I'm Chrissy, and I have background noise. It's okay. I'm not doing anything important. It's LO, I'm Chrissy, and I'm back with another video. As you can see from the title, you're getting ready with me today. I'm going to start off with my natural hair, show you all how I blow out this natural beautiful mess. So, start off by putting my hair into 4 sections. Okay. As such, they don't have to be perfect, just however you can get it. Mind you, my hair is 4C texture. I love my natural hair, I really do, but it's very hard to maintain, very hard. So I'm just gonna do that to my whole head. As much as I can, y'all. My hair is gonna give me some trouble. I'm gonna use this Cantu Shea Butter Coil Calm, because I am blow drying my hair out, and I'm just gonna use this. I don't have that much, but I got this from somebody in the mall. I think I already shared this on my Amore Jada review, but stay ready, selfie ready. And I'm just going to use this just to it's like a serum, you know, to protect. So I'm just going to spray some of this on my hair. I'm gonna comb through, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I'm not a professional when it comes down to my natural hair. I just do what I can to get by. So now I'm just going to go in with the serum, put a little bit on my hands. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and finish the rest of my hair, and I'll come back, well, finish like this part right here, and then come back while I'm doing this one. Disclaimer, like I said earlier, I'm not a professional with natural hair. This is how I do my hair. Like I said, I just use this Cantu which I just got. Like, I haven't been using this, and this is like my second time blowing out my hair and keeping it like this, like I am today, and you all will see the results. So yeah, I mean, if you want to do it my way, you can. If you feel like some more products will be necessary, go ahead and try it, my girl. But me personally, I don't do my natural hair often. If I do, I usually just wash my hair, put twists in my hair, and just go from there. So like, yeah. Now I'm just gonna finish this. Y'all, I'm so happy. I love my natural hair. It's a love and hate. I love you, but I hate you. For real. Y'all, that was an ugly face. I don't care. Y'all are gonna see the real me. This is the real me. People that don't understand natural hair, y'all will not understand my excitement. Like, seriously. But when my hair feels like, oh girl, yes, like, I want to do something today, like, I'm with it. I'm like, let's do this. Let's do this natural hair thing, girl. Then I got a little bounce. Y'all, I did not come to play, and my natural hair didn't either. Embrace yourself. Embrace your natural hair. Embrace your natural beauty. Like, please. Okay, y'all, so I'm finished blowing out my hair. Yes, this is how I'm gonna wear it. So I'm about to start on my makeup. Okay, y'all, so I'm so happy that I have this palette. It's the Juvias Place, the Zulu palette. And what color I'm going in first with, and I'm just gonna shade it in just a little bit for my transition color, will be this orange color right here. This look is inspired by Maybelline makeup artist. I don't know how to pronounce her name. This brush right here, it's a Real Technique brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and shade it in just a little bit. So it's not really a transition color. This is a smoky eye. So, but I'm just using this so, like, you know, it looks like a transition, if that makes sense. Okay. So now I'm going to take another brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put more concealer on my eyes so that the color can pop just a little bit more. I'm looking for, okay, there it is. So I'm going to use a little bit of concealer. I'm using it in a color Fawn. Yeah, I love this palette so much. Oh my gosh, it's just so pretty, beautiful. The colors are like so pigmented. Like, oh, I love it. It's so beautiful. Okay guys, so I'm moving on to the face. I'm going to color correct a little bit. I do have a little bit of dark circles around my eyes, and some places where I just need to color correct. So I'm gonna color correct, just put a little bit, y'all. Y'all know I can go crazy. I'm breaking out terribly, but it's all good. It's all good in the hood. Like a little orange peach for real. So all I'm gonna do now is just put my foundation over that. a little bit of my Fawn because that's all I have left. I don't have any more left, which sucks. And I'm just gonna mix it with like another color, Warm Honey. I just want to get just a little bit more contour, just so it can be a little bit defined like Michael Jackson. God rest the dead. But y'all get what I'm saying. I'm gonna spray my face before I put this highlight on. And I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. So I'm just gonna go under, just with this little light color here. Yeah, this little light color right here. And I'm just gonna put it in a little bit. Where is my mirror? Okay, and I'm gonna use this dark green that's on this side right here. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this detailed video of me blowing out my hair and doing my full face makeup. I like it, y'all. I do not wear my hair like this, but honestly, like, I will definitely go outside today and rock this. Like, this look is everything to me, and I hope, like I said for the second time, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below. Let me know what else you would like to see. Give me your comments. Give me your feedback on how you feel about this video, because I really need to know. And I do not dislike constructive criticism. So if you have any of that, drop it down below. Let me know, girl. Tell me something. What else can I do with this natural hair? What else can I do with my face? Like, tell me. Be more interactive with me, and you guys will see me more often. I'm working on my consistency. So yeah. Bye.